Welcome to the Finding Background Information tutorial. In this video, you'll learn the importance of background information for research, different sources of background information, and how to find background information. We'll begin with the importance of background information for research. Background information is a great place to start your research. It provides a broad overview of the subject, introduces you to key issues such as important facts, names, dates, statistics, or theories. It also provides bibliographies that can lead to additional readings. Background sources will also familiarize you with the language that authors use to discuss topics. You'll come across keywords that you can use later when searching in databases. We'll begin with finding different sources of background information available through the KPU Library website. Starting at the library homepage at kpu.ca/library, scroll to the Research Resources column and click on the Research Help Guide hyperlink. The Research Help Guide is an excellent starting point for your research. There are many different sources of background information. We'll start by clicking on the Find Background Information tab. It's a good idea to start your research using general sources of information, such as encyclopedias or dictionaries, before moving on to more in-depth or precise information sources, such as books or journal articles. General encyclopedias, such as Credo Reference and Sage Knowledge, give you overview articles on a wide range of topics, whereas subject-specific encyclopedias, such as the Gale Encyclopedia of Nursing and Allied Health, focus on a specific subject area. We have some tips on using Wikipedia for research. Wikipedia could be a good place to start exploring an unfamiliar topic. However, it is important to remember that Wikipedia is not an academic source. Use Wikipedia to generate ideas and to learn the terminology of your topic. Avoid citing Wikipedia in academic research. Now, we'll take a look at how to find background information using resources available on the KPU Library website. The first background information source we'll examine is the Credo reference database. Starting from the Research Help Guide, from the left side navigation menu, click on Find Background Information, and then click on the Credo Reference Database hyperlink. You'll be asked to enter your KPU username and password. And now we're at the Credo Reference homepage. We can search by keyword or choose one of the many topic pages. We'll type in fossil fuel for our search. We see that our search results include topic pages and various articles from different reference sources. One interesting feature of Credo is the mind map that displays related concepts. Another useful feature is the All Subjects menu that enables you to narrow your search results to a specific subject. Credo Reference is an excellent database to begin your background information research. The next background information source we'll examine is the Canadian Points of View Reference Center database. Once again, starting from the Research Help Guide, we'll click on the Find Background Information tab, and then click on the Canadian Points of View database hyperlink. And now we're at the Canadian Points of View Reference Center homepage. Canadian Points of View is an excellent resource for finding background information on current affairs and hot topics. You can also search by keyword or browse subjects by category. We'll do a keyword search for gun control. Canadian Points of View provides excellent overviews and point and counterpoint perspectives on numerous topics. It's a great source for finding background information. Next, we'll take a look at how to find background information using the KPU Library Summon Search interface. Summon searches the entire library collection, including books, articles, reports, videos, DVDs, and more. We'll do a search for eating disorders. Under the Refine Your Search section, we can limit our search to full text online. We can also limit our search to a specific publication date. If we're looking specifically for background information, we might want to limit our results to reference sources only. Under the Content Type menu, we can scroll down and select Reference. We now see that our search results are from reference sources. Click on any result to view the resource. If you have any questions about finding background information, please contact us by using the Ask Us link. You can contact us through Ask Away live chat, text, email, or phone. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your research.